Hey guys, so I did a couple of videos lately where I was in a truck that people didn't recognize, and I thought I'd do this video today, kind of explain, give you some updates to the business and what's going on, what I've been doing. It's been once again super busy around here. You know, freight's busy, um, expanding everything. We're at up to 16 trucks now, 20 trailers. So it's a non-stop, you know, taking care of loads and drivers and filling in gaps and stuff and working on equipment. And I had a new opportunity come my way, and it's something that I've always kind of been curious about over the years, and decided, you know what, I got offered this work, so I'm gonna try this. So you can see I've just been playing with my tractors today, washing a couple up. Actually got a couple I'm gonna sell because I need room in my shed for these trucks and stuff, working on them. I need the space in my shed more than I need to have some toys. So anyway, I had this new opportunity come my way, and we're not getting rid of the other trucks, we're not cutting back, we're not really changing anything, we're just kind of expanding and trying this other stuff here. And let me show you what I got going on and what I've been doing. So this is my new business here. This is what I've been doing. I'm not over the road anymore. Decided I don't need to be doing that after almost 30 years it's been being on the road, and get myself this dump truck. So it's pretty nice. It's 2019 Kenworth, and I got the work before I got the truck. I got offered this, you know, a good bit of work, and I'm like, screw it, let's do it. So you probably seen me doing some videos here, and people saw when I'm sitting in the seat there's a back window, and they're like, that ain't a sleeper truck. Nope, it's not. It is a Kenworth T880, and I don't know, I'm rather enjoying it. I will say it's very different. It's a learning experience, but it's been a good one. I've been having my fair share of problems with the truck and the emission system, so we're doing some extensive work on that. And I gotta say, it's different in many ways, but I will say this, and this is no affront to anybody that's doing it, like, this is easy. It's no brokers, no worrying about freight. I mean, if you damage a load, it's $500 worth of gravel. You dump it on the ground and go get another one. No appointments really to speak of. You pick it up when you pick it up, you get there when you get there, and everybody understands that. A lot less pressure. What else? No reefer unit to worry about breaking down. No trailer. Nice thing about this T880 is she turns on a dime. This thing will whip right around real quick compared to the other, you know, guys I'm seeing with the Max or even the T800. I'll show you the inside a little bit. It's nothing fancy. Excuse me. I carry some stuff in here because I still don't have that. I keep my cooler in here, even though I'm not home every night, but I don't stay in the truck, but old habits die hard, and I don't know, it's nice having my lunch with me and not having to pay for it. So got a leather seat, that's pretty nice. 420,000 miles. One thing I will say is this 20,000 pound front end with the floaters on it, it rides stiff. She's a stiff riding ordeal here when you're in the pits and stuff, and it's bumpy. It's like bucking a Bronco all day. So that's what I've been doing. For the people that have been wondering, why the hell is this guy sitting in a truck with a window in the back? That's what I've been doing. I got some work that's going to last through the rest of this dump truck season. Then we'll be looking for some other stuff, and already have a couple possibilities lined up to do some other things. And will I expand this? I don't know. But we're still running the reefer trucks and all that. So just want to make this short video. I'm gonna get back to playing with my tractors right here because it's one of the few days off I've had in a long time, and I'm gonna go have some fun.